Good afternoon, my name is Gabriela Alvarez and I'm an ambassador from Troop 292. This is for my Gold Award project, which helped Benson State Park with their Eagle Pond for birds and helping you guys make your backyard into a bird sanctuary. So today we're going to be teaching you guys how to make a bird feeder out of bread, honey, and bird seed. You will also be needing a butter knife, a regular knife, and a cookie cutter and string or yarn. First, you're going to go ahead and press your cookie cutter into the bread. Next, you use your knife to carve it out. And here I have my circle. Next, you're gonna use your butter knife to spread honey over the bread. And you're going to do that to the other side. After that, you're going to go ahead and get your bird seed and put it on the plate and dip your bread into the bird seed. As you can see, this is how it's turning out. Then you're gonna go ahead and make a hole through the middle of the bread and put your string through it. You wanna make sure that you don't make your hole too big or else it's gonna break the bread. Then you're gonna go ahead and tie an overhand knot. Cross it like that, and then cross it again. There, and there you have your bird feeder. Thank you so much for watching.